Ooh, welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Typical junk Saturday. Today is Saturday, guys, so I'm in cleanup mode. I try to retouch up my area, especially on Saturday. I got to do some inventory, guys. Now, never mind these batteries. See, I got this battery right here. I got some batteries from Brothers Motor I want to test before I dispose of properly, guys. Properly meaning scrapyard run. So just say for this one, we pulled that out of a Journey. So what I want to do is just make sure it's, now we don't have this at Brothers Motor. So like I told y'all earlier, if we suspect the batteries at fault, we got a lot of fault codes indicating that voltage is low, then yeah, we have no choice but to recommend a battery. All right, now here I can put it on this machine. This machine would tell me if the battery, it will go through a deep cell charge and see if the battery can, you know, hold everything the way it's supposed to, and it will come up pass or fail. So depending on how these stack up, they're going in the truck for scrap. I gotta load up some scrap anyway. I'm gonna do some inventory, man. Y'all know I'm a big guy on cutting my diagnostic time in half by way of storing or stacking a few parts. This is a tip of, look what I wrote on here, bus failure. So I already know if I needed to test this on a car, I'm gonna have bus issues. All right, I can't just throw this away, man. Look at it. So I have to find somewhere to properly store them out of sight. All right, now I have done that way too long to the point where I got old controllers. Anybody, I know Tom Cook know what this is. Hella may know. Hella a young guy, he might not understand. Hella, this might be for your time. Hella, I know you're a dealer guy, but yeah, this is a TCM. Yes, guys, there was once a point of time we was replacing TCMs. They were separate from the PCM. Now a lot of the controllers are NGC, next generation controller, meaning the transmission and the engine functions all in the same module. I always explain it like this: if you get a controller, the green connector is always dedicated to the transmission. All right, so if you're working on a car and you get a controller and it has no pins in here, meaning there's no fourth connector, meaning you don't see a connector, you can assume that this car is equipped with a manual transmission or a manual transmission. Okay, because or a nag 1 transmission. Remember, nags are one that have their own TCM, and it's always under the steering column. Okay, so yeah, don't panic if you don't see the fourth connector. Oh, what, they cut the, no, they didn't cut it, it's just not equipped. It must be a stick or a nag 1 transmission. Well, anyway, yeah, so once upon a time we was replacing TCMs, guys. This likely a Sebring or a PT Cruiser or something. I'm never ever gonna see one of these in the shop again. So I'm creating space. I'm taking up space with these old modules, so that goes in there. So now going through and doing a little inventory cleaning house, I can create more room. All right, anybody recognize this old controller out of a Grand Cherokee? I want to say WJ, Tom Cook. No, WJ. Y'all remember the old WK? This is pretty new. Okay, here's another one, TCM, that's going in the trash. Now look, these old controllers right here, S-Bex, these are all old Caravan. Oh, was I using these back in the day? Oh my goodness, I was plugging these mugs up. This looked like a older model PT Cruiser. I can tell by the hooks. Yes, Gen 1. This is a Gen 1 PT Cruiser. I might need to hang on to this. Yeah, because from time to time, those still come in here, and I have no time to properly, by the book, diagnose an older model, anything for that matter. Here's another older one. Y'all recognize the hooks? This go on an older model Caravan. All right. Yes, I know this one by heart. I done pulled this one out of here a bunch of times. Simply plug them up, the light go out. Now guys, these are not plug and play. Now maybe that PT Cruiser one is, if depend on the color of your key. If your key is gray or silver, you, my friend, have factory alarm. So from the looks of it, I'm going to create a whole nother space right here for some more up-to-date modules. We're not seeing this old stuff anymore, guys. People, some cases we charge them $500-$600 to diagnose your car. That exceeds the value of some of these cars. So I cringe when a customer's like, okay, go ahead and do it. Wait a minute, man, this is a '01 such and such, and it's $1,000-something, and you talking about go ahead and do it. Yeah. Now this is one, I think an Avenger or something like that, with no charging or something like that. Guys, I don't know, I'm just that kind of guy. You can see the paint on here. This one likely came from a salvage yard. 246 looks to be something like a a Charger or a Challenger. Yes, see those all the time. So let me make room for some what's in this other stuff, man. I got stuff everywhere, and this ain't the only one. Here goes some stuff over here. Oh, I'm about to throw all of this away, guys. Radios, I don't what we got here? Let's be nosy. Well, it's my stuff. It's not really being nosy. This is one I swiped up. All three. It was available. Remember I told you guys to avoid needing the programming. You need to get them all. Skim, key, and the module. 340 sounds like a Pacifica. Yes, I remember this one by heart. Alright. I had to go out and get a test PCM. These was in the car, so I went out and snagged those. So if I ever run into a Pacifica with a problem, and I suspect it's computer related problem, merely plug this in, get the skim code. These not plug and play, so you can't just plug them in and expect it to start. I will have to make some adjustments, but it's easy adjustment, okay, from where I sit. Now you guys, that might not be the case. I gotta go. Look, guys, anybody still, yes, and you should, don't get me wrong, vacuuming, AC season over with. This is a vacuum pump. I don't know if anybody's still an old tipper from somewhere else. What's in here? I see the guy that worked here last left all of this camshaft. I don't even know how. See, these are not supposed to be by any magnet or any. I don't even know if this stuff worth. Look at this, guys. An old solenoid pack out of a 41 TE 8604, and it looked new. So yeah. Oh, we replaced the transmission and I pulled that off a long time ago. I remember. Worthless right now. Look, more camshaft. I guess this is where we store camshaft. This lobes are not worn, guys. There's only one reason to replace this, guys. Two reasons to replace this. Either the lobes worn out or this tone wheel is loose. See, it's pressed on now. So once it becomes loose, the camshaft is toast. All right. I don't know. I gotta find a way. This shouldn't be laying near a magnet. I don't know, man. Gauges. I don't know what's up here. A bunch of junk. I gotta clean up, guys. I don't want to bore y'all with my sad, ridiculous life story at work. So y'all can see my chore. I'm about to bring my truck in, load up some scrap. Matter of fact, I got a little time. Let's go take a peek at some of this scrap. See what we about to load up. Hey, look at all the goodies over here, guys. Ooh, not that. That going in the Sebring. I got to put that in. Transmission, engine. That go, that stay, that go. I don't know what happened to that. On-car brake machine. How many of y'all still turning rotors on the car? One of the best ways to do it. Guys, I'm over my time limit. That's all I have, man. Just a little chit chat with the fellas. Y'all guys keep asking me for toolbox tour. There's nothing exciting about. All right, I'll clean it. When I clean it up, I'll do that. But right now, I got to get out of here, guys. Thanks for watching.